The moment I select the status as in progress, so you can see it captured the system time and it's showing as a start time. The moment I select the status as completed, you will see this pop-up will come. Similarly, we have applied some other logic also. Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. My name is Vishal and in today's video, I will show you how you can create an automated assignment tracker in Google Sheet. So let's get started with the video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's move to the solution. So as you can see, I have a total 5 tickets ID here and I have assigned all these tickets to my team member. So let's say this particular ticket ID is assigned to me and I have started working on this ticket ID. So first what I need to do is I have to change the status from pending to in progress. The moment I select the status as in progress, so you can see it captured the system time and it's showing as a start time. So it means I have started working on this particular ticket ID. So let's say I will change the status for some other people also for the David. So you can see it's showing the current time here in the start time. So now let's say I have completed the work on this particular ticket. Now I have to mark the status as completed. For that, what I need to do is I have to simply select the status as completed. The moment I select the status as completed, you will see this pop-up will come which says the script is moving the complete entry to the backend sheet. Do you want to make any changes? If you want to make any changes, you have to simply select the yes, and the moment I select the yes button, you can see the status is moved to the in progress and no entry has been added in the end time. So now let's say I want to mark this status as completed. What I need to do is I have to simply select the status as completed and here I will select the option as no. The moment I select the option as no, this complete entry will move to the backend sheet like this. So now here you can see it's showing the ticket ID, creation date, due date, and the start time as well as the end time. In this automated assignment tracker, we have applied some other logics also. Let's say this ticket is assigned to David and the status is marked as in progress. Let's say by mistakenly David has marked the status as pending. The moment he selected the status as pending, he will get this particular message which says, are you sure you want to change the status? This will reset the time. Once he marked the status as yes, then the start time will be erased from the sheet. And if he marked the status as no, then you can see the time remains the same and the status also remains the in progress. So now let's make the changes to the pending and this time we'll select this option as yes. The moment I select the option as yes, you can see the time has been erased from this particular column. Similarly, we have applied some other logic also. So let's say this particular ticket ID is assigned to James and he wants to make the changes directly to the completed. The moment he selects the status as completed, so the James will get this error message stating that please change the status to in progress first. So it means whenever the ticket is assigned to the people and the status is pending, they have to select first in progress so that their system time is captured as a start time. So this is the logic we have applied in the code. So let's say you want to use this particular automated assignment tracker for your team. What you need to do is I have mentioned this particular sheet link in the video description. You have to simply click on that link, then click on file and then click on make a copy. The moment you click on make a copy, the code will automatically copy to your own sheet and then you can start using for your team. So this is how you can use this automated assignment tracker. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to Excel Dose. Thank you so much for watching.